If Krita is not working on your computer, crashing on launch, showing a blank canvas, or failing with tablet and pen input problems, this video will walk you through the most common fixes step by step. These solutions are beginner-friendly, safe to try, and can help you get Krita working again without reinstalling everything right away. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, if Krita refuses to open properly or keeps crashing in the background, the very first thing you should do is force quit any hidden Krita processes. Sometimes Krita does not fully close, and the background process keeps it stuck. Open your system's task manager on Windows, activity monitor on Mac, or your process manager on Linux. Then look for any Krita-related tasks still running. End those tasks completely, wait a few seconds, and then try launching Krita again. This simple restart step often fixes launch problems right away. If Krita opens but the interface is there and the canvas is black, blank, frozen, or unresponsive, then the issue is usually related to graphics acceleration. Krita can have trouble with OpenGL or canvas rendering depending on your device and graphics driver. To fix this, open Krita, go to Settings, then Configure Krita, and open the Display section. Look for the OpenGL or Canvas acceleration options and turn them off. If available, switch to a more stable rendering option and restart Krita. After relaunching, test whether the canvas loads correctly and responds normally. In many cases, disabling acceleration solves the blank canvas problem instantly. Now, let's move on to pen and tablet issues, because this is one of the most common reasons Krita seems like it is not working. If your pen cursor is offset, your pen pressure is not showing up, or the tablet is behaving strangely, Krita may be conflicting with your tablet driver. To fix this, open Krita, then go to Settings, configure Krita, and find Tablet Settings. Here you should see options for WinTab and Windows Ink. Switch between them and test each one, because the right setting depends on your tablet model and your system. After changing it, close Krita completely, restart Krita, and if needed, restart your PC too. That reboot helps the driver and Krita reconnect properly. Once you reopen the app, test your pen strokes again and check whether pressure sensitivity and pointer alignment are working. If Krita crashes the moment you try to draw a stroke, especially on Windows, that often points to a graphics driver timeout problem. In this case, the first thing to do is update your Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA drivers to the latest stable version from the official website. Outdated or unstable GPU drivers can cause Krita to freeze or crash during drawing. After updating, restart your computer and test Krita again. If the problem still continues, go back into Krita settings and change the renderer in settings. Configure Krita display from OpenGL to direct 3D through angle. If that option is available on your system, this can improve compatibility on some Windows setups and stop drawing crashes caused by the graphics pipeline. If you want to troubleshoot efficiently, always test one change at a time. Start with forced quitting hidden processes, then disable canvas acceleration, then check tablet input settings, and finally update drivers or switch the renderer. That way you will know exactly which fix solved the problem. Also, after each change, fully close Krita and reopen it so the new setting can take effect properly. These are the most effective fixes for Krita not working errors, whether the issue is startup failure, a black canvas, pen pressure problems, or crashes while drawing. If one fix does not solve it, move to the next one in order, because the cause can be different depending on your device, tablet, and graphics hardware. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more software troubleshooting guides, and I'll see you in the next video.